Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. I just so happen to be working on a really cool car. It is a 66 427 car. It's a 390 horsepower, but still a very, very cool car. We're putting power steering on it. We're putting a Sniper fuel injection system on it. And we're just updating the car, brakes and all that kind of good stuff to make it a really nice driver for the customer. So come with me and see what's going on. This is the front suspension that's been rebuilt. Upper and lower control arms, ball joints, control arm bushings. We're also putting in new wiring harnesses, which just came in, an electronic speed tach, so that we can hook it up to the Sniper system. And of course, when we're doing one of these, I bead blast everything, and I'll either clear them or do some sort of a rust inhibitor so they don't rust back up. And all of this goes back underneath the car and it's going to look like new. So, that being said, if you got something like this, and if you need something like this, but if you really want something like this, you know where to come. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.